Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best Canon camera under 1000 you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. I've compiled a list of the top Canon DSLR cameras under $1,000 in this article. I recommend a combination of powerful cameras, including models aimed at experienced photographers as well as ones aimed at complete beginners. So, no matter what your skill level is, you'll be able to locate the ideal camera for you. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, Canon EOS Rebel T8i. The Canon EOS Rebel T8i, commonly known as the EOS 850D, is a 24-megapixel DSLR camera that is compatible with Canon's f and fs mount lenses. The Rebel T8i, like most DSLR cameras, has an optical viewfinder that you may utilize to take images. It also offers a quick touchscreen interface and a live view mode that rivals Canon's mirrorless camera offerings. This model's camera sensor size is an APS-C, which is common in entry-level to mid-level DSLR cameras. The ISO on this camera type spans from 100 to 25,600, with some cases reaching 51,200. You can be guaranteed to capture every single moment with the 7 fps continuous shooting. It boasts a 45-point, all-cross-type phase detect autofocus system, making it simple to track static and moving targets. The Canon EOS T8i resembles its predecessor, the T7i, in appearance. The rear panel, however, has a few important differences, including a new rear control dial and an AF on button. The T8i retains Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, however it no longer has NFC. On number 2, Canon EOS 90D. The Canon EOS 90D replaces the Canon EOS 80D, a camera that sits between the EOS 77D and the EOS 7D Mark II. The EOS 90D features a higher resolution 32.5 MP picture sensor, as well as a live viewfinder with eye detect and 4K video capture. The mirrorless Canon EOS M6 Mark II's DSLR equivalent is the Canon EOS 90D. Because the characteristics of these two cameras are so comparable, it appears like Canon is allowing its customers to pick between a DSLR and a mirrorless camera. Its ISO spans from 100 to 25,600 and can be expanded to a maximum of 51,200. The minimum shutter speed is 30 seconds, and the highest shutter speed for mechanical cameras is 1/8000th of a second and 1/16,000th of a second for electronic cameras. When shooting through the viewfinder, Canon has included facial detection. Face detection was only supported on prior generations while photographing through the rear LCD screen. It's not as precise as face detection in live view, though, with only 45 AF points to deal with. The 90D includes a fully articulated and touch-enabled 3-inch 1.04mm LCD screen. Touch may be used to navigate all menus, including the Q menu. The mic input, remote cable, USB 2.0, HDMI, and headphone input are among the ports accessible. When shooting through the viewfinder, the EOS 90D estimates 1,300 shots and 450 shots when shooting in live view. On number 1, Nikon D7500 DSLR camera. The Nikon D7500 is a mid-range DSLR that shares many of the same features as Nikon's flagship D500. It has a 20.9 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, which performs admirably in most photography situations. It also boasts a 51-point phase detect autofocus system that makes tracking and shooting moving in stationary subjects a breeze. Burst mode on the D7500 is set to 8 frames per second. The D7500's design hasn't changed much from its predecessors in terms of physical look. Although the D7500 sensor has 3 fewer megapixels than the D7200, this does not imply that it is inferior. The D7500 uses the same sensor as the D500. It's designed for quick readout times and high image quality. The D7500's viewfinder has an eye point of 18.5mm and a magnification of 0.94x. When the camera is held up to your eye, a sensor turns off the back LCD. The NEL15A battery has been improved to provide up to 950 shots per charge. Even when the camera is mounted on a tripod, the memory card slot is located on the side of the camera, making it accessible. UHS-I memory cards are supported by its single memory card slot, but UHS-II memory cards are not. The tilting touchscreen-enabled LCD screen can be used instead of the optical viewfinder if you like. You can use touch to navigate menus, replay material, and shoot live view. So guys, this was the video about the best Canon camera under 1000. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.